Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the voice volume in Subnautica 2. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to the sound settings. Here, under volume, should be the dialogue volume. Here you can adjust it to a level between 0 and 100. As you can see, there are steps on this gauge with the difference of 5, so there is some room for maneuvering, but you cannot be exactly 100% precise. Select simply the value that you prefer. I'll go with something like 20. Next, you can simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.